Hello and welcome to my 3D Unity game development course, where we will learn how to make 3D Space Invaders type of game. During this course, we will learn a lot of important details such as setting up our player, making it move, shooting mechanics, scoring system. Also, we will learn how to make enemies for our game, how to make level system, level design. We will make nice looking environments very simple way, some damage effects, particle system, and lots more. At the end of the course, you will have fully working game with few levels, but you will have enough knowledge to create as much levels as you like. Also, I don't want you to just sit and blind copy my lines of code or mechanics. I want you to actually understand what and why we are doing. That's why I will explain everything from zero. So even if you are completely new to C# and Unity, you can still enroll and start your game development journey with me. So enroll now and see you there.